Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Nakie. I hope everybody is doing well. Thank you so much for stopping by. On today's menu, it's a quick one. We are making chicken palm nut soup. Let's get started. The main protein for this soup is chicken. I'm using the hard chicken. You could use a soft one if you prefer. And this is my blended onion and blended ginger. I just blended it, put it in the ice tray, and freeze it up so to save time. So that's what I have in there. I also have my chicken seasoning. Use any seasoning of your choice. I'm adding a little bit of salt for taste. So I'm adding 1 cup of water to this, and I'm gonna cook this for about 15 minutes. So this is my palm fruit. I added water to it. I'm just letting it sit for that black stuff to settle at the bottom. Sometimes they do. That's why I'm doing that. So yeah, I'm sorry I didn't have the part that I was mixing it up. I just added water to it, and the soup is always to your preference. If you want it lighter, add more water to it. If you want it thicker, just add less water to it. And about 15 minutes later, I'm checking on my chicken and it's looking good. I'm not gonna cook it to stand up because I'm gonna add the palm fruit to it, and that's gonna continue its cooking process. Unless you really want it soft, then yeah, continue giving it more time before you add your palm fruit to it. But I'm just gonna add my palm fruit to it now so it could continue its process. So this saving process is optional. You don't have to, but yeah, I chose to do it sometimes. And this is the black stuff that I was talking about. So if you're not sure of the palm fruit you're using, just to be on the safe side, add water to it, mix it up, let it say, for you to be sure before you add it to your soup. So I give this a stir. I'm not going to be adding my vegetables. That is my tomatoes, my scotch bonnet pepper, and my onion. So I'm using a toothpick to secure this half onion, otherwise it's gonna like separate, and when it's time to take it out, it will be so hard to find them. So I'm using a toothpick to like secure them together. The soup have been cooking for additional 10 minutes, and yeah, the tomatoes, scotch bonnet pepper, onions are soft now. I'm gonna take it out, blend it, and put it back into the soup. This is those kind of soup that doesn't really take long to do, especially this one. If you have your chicken tender, that's it. It doesn't really take much time to do, not a lot of ingredients. So yeah, if you want some quick palm nut soup to go with, just go with this recipe, and trust me, you're gonna love the taste. It tastes really good. Also, when you use a toothpick to secure your onions, please do not forget to take it out before you blend it, okay? And these are my blended stuff. I put it back in there, and our soup is almost done. Give it some time to cook for additional 10 to 15 minutes, and we are almost done. At this point, if you have any fish, any baked fish, you could just put it in there, but I didn't have it, and I was just making chicken palm nut soup, and that's it. Our soup is looking so good. So I'm adding one shrimp tablet. Use any seasoning of your choice. If you don't like this, just use anything that you prefer. So I covered this halfway and let this cook for additional 7 to 10 minutes, and our soup is done. Look how pretty that looks. Taste for salt. If you need to add more, I didn't need more salt, so yeah, I didn't add any extra. But taste for it. If you need to, just add a little bit to it. And yeah, enjoy your palm nut soup with anything that you prefer, your fufu, your banku, your rice balls, yam, plain rice, whatever that you prefer. I did with emuto, that's rice balls, and I loved it. It was so good. And you see that oil on top? Yeah, that's so flavorful. Please do not throw it away. Just skim that off and just save it for any recipe that require palm oil. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new. I hope you give this recipe a try, and I know you will love it. Please subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up if you love this video. Until I come your way next time, this is Cook with Nakie. Be good to yourself, be good to everybody. Goes a long way.